Perfect!
Give me that! Oh, boy! Boy! Yes! No! No! No!
2, 3. John!
Wait, don't stand there. Yeah, I'm a little nervous now. Wait, I'm gonna see.
It's a boy. That is not a very good face.
You're helping.
Here we go. What is it? It's a
Let them call it. Shush.
And Nico wants to give her away. What it is it a baby sister or a baby brother?
I'm a baby sister.
It's a baby brother.
No, they're a baby sister.
No, mommy's having a boy.
All right, it's a boy.
No, they're a baby sister.
She's having a little brother for you.
No.
Baby.
A girl. It's a girl. It's a girl.
Yay, it's a girl.
Oh,
Why is that upsetting? Are you upset?
I wanted a boy.
Oh, you're gonna be a good big brother.
Yay! It's a girl. It's a girl. It's a girl. I wanted a boy. Yay!
But you're gonna be a really good big brother and take good care of her, aren't you? What should we name her?
Nothing of you, Daddy.
This way,
My
On the count of 3.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
It's a
A boy. Boy.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Hey. Stupid thing.
Okay, girls, guess what?
What?
I know what I'm having. I know what's in there. So do you want to make your guesses?
A girl.
What do you think, Lily? Gracie, what type of baby do you think it is?
A dog.
A girl? Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a boy. It's a boy, baby. What's the matter? Why are you crying?
What do you want us to do? What should we do then?
Be a boy?
So what should we do?
No. Well, it is.
What are we gonna do, Gracie?
How do you feel, Lily?
Oh, good.
Chloe, how do you feel?
Excited?
Gracie. Gracie. It's gonna be a boy. But guess what?
What do you think, Bob?
Girls, what do you think?
It's awesome.
We're gonna have a girl. Bristol, what do you think about having a girl? It's gonna drive you crazy.
Bob, what's wrong?
You all right, bub? JC, come here. Tell us what you think about the baby, JC.
It's awesome.
Come here, Bob.
Bristol, what do you think about the baby? It's gonna drive you crazy.
I eat a fudge.
Keep one more bite. What do you got? What color is it? Show.
Pink.
What's that mean?
What's that mean? Girl.
It's a girl. It's okay. That's going.
Is yours boy or girl?
A girl.
Are you so happy?
Yeah.
You gotta have a sister. Put it on the floor.
Put it on the floor. Put it.
It's pink balloons.
Open it up, boy.
You are.
Whoa.
You're gonna have a little baby sister.
Nope.
You say no.
No.
Didn't you say you wanted a baby sister?
Jameson, is it a brother or a sister?
It's a brother, but it's a baby, but I don't see any baby sister.
No, the baby's not in the box.
Where is
What color are the balloons?
it? Pink.
Okay, so what does that mean?
It's a baby sister.
That's right.
But I don't see any baby sister in there. Where's the baby sister?
What is it?
It's a girl.
The baby is...
A dinosaur.
Girl. Girl! Yay!
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 I want a boy! I want a girl!
Jacinta, are you happy it's a girl? Julie, are you happy?
All right, you ready?
You wanted it to be a boy?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's another boy. It's okay, darling. Blue balloon. All right. Pull it out. Oh,
You gotta flip it upside down.
Suspenseful.
Oh, what's the matter, Haley? Oh, it's okay. You have another brother to protect you. Oh, it's okay, Haley. It's okay.
It's okay, honey.
Yay, it's a boy.
You wanted it to be a
Aw.
girl.
That just means you get your own room to yourself.
Then the baby gets to sleep in my room. No, my room.